Hi, my name is Mark Anderson and I'm with Anderson Seed and Garden, and we've been selling Baicor products for probably close to 30 years. One of my favorite products that they produce is a product called the tree treats. Now if you've never used the tree treats or you're not selling tree treats, you're missing out, because you've probably got customers just like ours and they have large trees, and sometimes it's difficult to get nutrient and especially micronutrient like iron to those trees because they're in an area where there's concrete or asphalt, or sometimes the trees are just so big you have to use so much fertilizer to make a difference on the tree that sometimes it's just very ineffective. What the tree treats do is you can implant them directly into the trunk of the tree. So what we'll do is when a customer comes in and they've got a tree that's bigger than 6 inches in diameter, we instantly take them right to our tree treats and we show them how to use it. All you need is a cordless drill, all you need is a 3/8 inch drill bit, and the instructions are right here in nice format where you can find them, and it shows you exactly how many tree treats to use, where to make the holes, where to drill into it, and how to implant those tree treats. So tree treats, great selling point because they last longer, they deliver the nutrient right directly into the tree. It's so easy to apply. All you have to use is a drill bit and a cordless drill, make a few injections into the tree, put the tree treat implants right in there, seal them up, and they've got instant nutrient to their tree over at least 8 to 16 month period, where it's going to deliver that right directly into the circulatory system of the tree. So tree treats, great value, great price that we can use to make some profit on, and it's a product that we have pushed, and our customers have really loved them over the years and come back for more because they work so well.